Hello guys, ako nga po pala si Archie Marjon B. Pollero from grade 12 Duke. So, i-explain ko po sa inyo kung paano gumawa or magsagot ng ordinary anonymity at anonymity dude. So, sa first question natin from A, ordinary na anonymity is kung paano gumawa ng given. Here, kung paano gumawa ng given. Figure value FD 500,000 and annual interest rate R equals 7%. Compound period SEM annually and time equals 5 years. Step 1. Convert the periodic rate I equals 7% times 2 equals 3.5% equal 0.035. Number of period n equals 5 times 2 equals 10. The formula of this is FDR parenthesis 1 equals I raised to n minus 1 parenthesis equals I. So, here, solve value. Solve value is 5,000 equals R parenthesis 1, 1.035 raised to 10 minus 1. Yung I po natin is 0.335, yung I na dapat dito. So, times parenthesis 1.035 raised to 10 equals 1.4106 500,000 equals R parenthesis 14106 minus 1 times 0.035 equals 500,000 equals R 11.3 11.7314. Solve for R. So ito yung solve for R. R equals 500,000 times 11.7314 equals 3.5%